Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your build number in your Tecno phone. Guys, you want to check your build number in your Tecno phone. So guys, you can check, and guys, now let's see how to check build number in a Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So it's now time to start video friend. First of all guys, open your phone setting to check your build number. Then guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your my phone setting, tap here and guys scroll. Guys, you can see your build number from here guys. And guys, you want to on guys developer mode option, so guys you can on from here guys 2 and 3 times guys tap here, developer mode option will on it. If your developer mode option is off, so guys you can on from also here. So I hope friends you have understood how to check build number in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.